Welcome. In today's guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable the Ask Every Time option for location permissions on Instagram. This quick update ensures you stay in control of your privacy while still enjoying all of Instagram's location-based features. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you'll find all the controls for your device, including app permissions. Next, scroll down and look for Apps or App Management. The name might vary slightly depending on your device, but you're looking for the section where you can manage all the apps installed on your phone. Once you're in the Apps section, scroll through the list until you find Instagram. Tap on it to open the app's settings. Here you'll see a range of options that let you customize how Instagram interacts with your device. Now, tap on Permissions. This is where you can control what Instagram is allowed to access, including your camera, contacts, and most importantly, your location. Find and tap on Location. You'll see several options for how Instagram can use your location data. To maximize your privacy, select Ask Every Time. This means Instagram will prompt you for permission each time it wants to access your location, giving you the choice to allow or deny access in the moment. And that's it. You've now set Instagram to ask for your location every time it needs it. This way, you get to decide when and how your location is shared, whether you're tagging a post, searching for nearby places, or simply browsing. Taking a moment to review your app permissions is a smart way to protect your privacy, while still making the most of Instagram's features. If you ever want to change this setting, just follow these steps again and choose the option that works best for you. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on staying safe and savvy online.